How to turn on game mode on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up any game application on your phone. As the game loads and enters full screen mode, your iPhone will automatically enable game mode. You don't need to do anything manually. Game mode is a feature designed to create a more immersive and responsive gaming experience on your iPhone. Game mode is not a setting you need to find and turn on beforehand, it activates automatically. When game mode turns on, a brief notification banner will appear at the top of your screen that says Game Mode On. This confirms that your iPhone is now prioritizing the game's performance. You will see a dedicated game mode tile, confirming it's active. Following these steps, you can easily turn on game mode on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.